Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this little set here. Well, this package here, it's a bunch of buttons. I'm going to show you guys what these are here. I think they're like ones that you can kind of put your own things into. So that's kind of the idea. So let's open this up and actually open it up, and then there's another bag inside there. So kind of weird, a Ziploc inside a Ziploc. That's how we roll. And then look at this. Okay, so then it comes with, I don't know, there's probably 20 or 30 of them in here. But then inside of that, there's another Ziploc with each one in it. So let's check these out and see what they look like here. So this is it. It's a little pin, and the pin is right there. So this is how it works. So there's the little pin. So you can see it's like one of those pins where you push down like that and then kind of hold it back under. So it's a pin like that. And then you can put whatever picture or any information you want in it like that. And you can make your own button. I mean, how cool is that? You can totally make your own button with these. And then I'm sure when you do it, you snap it back on, and then the pin will be out. But if I do it right now, I'm guessing it's going to be stuck forever. But whatever, I'll do it for you guys. I don't have anything to put in there. Nope. So yeah, but it snaps in. It snaps in pretty hard. But then I guess you can get it out with that little clip on the bottom if you really needed to. So that's it. And then you can kind of pin it onto yourself and make your own buttons. So how cool is that to be able to make your own buttons? Doesn't require anything special, fancy, magical, whatever. You can, if you have a nice color printer, I'm guessing you could probably just print your own, pictures or things in there, and it'll actually look even glossy because of the shiny front and super clear, very nice looking button. Guessing it's about 3/4 of an inch or so, or maybe an inch height. So very cool looking thing. It's very nice, and it comes with a whole bunch of them, so you got plenty to work with. So I'm gonna say this is a very cool little set. This will be fun for parties and things like that. Everyone can be designated however you need, or just political stuff or anything you want. So thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. And links in the description if I didn't say so already.